Find or read reviews that people are talking about VKEKIEO robot vacuum and mop integrated, fully automatic robot vacuum cleaner with batteries, intelligent sweeping robot. If you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Why you choose VKEKIEO robot vacuum and mop integrated. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2.4-inch thin low profile that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to fit under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. The robotic floor cleaner has 2 auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. This automatic vacuum cleaner robot has a high-capacity battery of 2000 mAh and a charging base. It could continuously work for 80 minutes to meet the cleaning needs from the living room to the bedroom. Port equipped with 1500 PA strong suction, the robot vacuum cleaner can easily suck up breadcrumbs and confetti dust. Designed with 2 side brushes, this robot vacuum cleaner can help you clean thoroughly and avoid clogging and hair tangles. Again, if you want to get full highlight features and / or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, and important. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.